Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the color for each individual word in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. This is the easiest method. While there are other ways to do it, this is the one most people, especially beginners, will find the simplest. To get started, open DaVinci Resolve and grab the Text Plus tool as it is the only one that works for this process. Drag it to your timeline and add some text. Once your text is in place, right-click inside the text tool window and select character level styling. After that, switch over to the Fusion tab at the bottom. And in the top right corner, make sure you are in the Modifiers tab. Now to change the color of specific text, click and drag over the characters or words you want to modify. Simply highlight it, choose a color, click OK, and you are done. You can repeat this process for any other characters or words you want to customize. Once you have finished making your changes, you can return to the Edit tab to further customize your text however you like. While there are other, more advanced methods for achieving this using the Fusion tab, they are a bit more complicated. If you just need a simple way to change text colors, this is the best approach. And that is everything you need to know about how to change the color for each individual word in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.